Hi, and welcome to Terial Arts with Terry. I'm Terry McFeely, creator of Terial Magic, the spray-on fabric stabilizer that makes fabric easy. Easy because your fabric becomes paper-like. It's fray-free and stable. I'm Irish. I like to celebrate St. Paddy's Day, so today we're going to be making these cute fabric shamrocks. These shamrocks are attached to pipe cleaners so that you can easily decorate cups, mugs, hair clips, hair bands, pens, pencils, you decide. I'm including at the end of the video down below, there'll be a JPEG format for electronic cutters and then also a PDF so that you can print the pattern and cut it out by hand the old-fashioned way. Either way, they're pretty easy and simple. These shamrocks in the video are layered. I show 2 layers, of course. This is a 3-layer and this is a 2-layer. The 3-layer is just a little more full, but it's up for you to decide. The video is easy to follow, and again, there'll be a materials list at the end of the video. The video also shows some cute pictures of my granddaughters wearing their hair bands. So enjoy, and thanks for watching. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the shamrocks, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and I will get to you. I would love it if you would post your shamrocks to Terial Arts Facebook page and visit terialmagic.com for product and other inspirations. And if you wouldn't mind, I would love it if you would like this video and sign up to my YouTube channel for all future video posts. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, enjoy your craft.